Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to make this cute, too cute to spook card using the Haunted Digital Craft Collection from Erin Reed Makes. I started off by picking out some of the SVGs and sentiments that are included in this kit. I did all of the arranging and resizing of the images in Microsoft Word. I also added a circle around each of the sentiments. Then I printed it out and had my scan and cut out all of these fun images. Here are some of the pieces that I'm using from her collection. First, there's a couple of sentiments that I printed several copies of. One says, "You are fabulous," and the other one says, "My best witches." I think those are just too cute. Then we've got these small square card sizes that I'm actually going to use as focal points instead. The one I'm using today is that cute one with the ghost that says, "Too cute to spook." And then here are some of her pattern papers. I resized them down to fit on the front of an A2 size card base. I'm taking that "Too Cute to Spook" focal image square and matting it onto some black 65-pound cardstock from Recollections using my dot liner adhesive tape runner. Then I trimmed it down with my Fiskars bypass trimmer, giving it that really tiny border that you know I love. Next, I'm trimming one of the pattern paper panels down to 4 by 5 1/4 so it'll fit perfectly on this orange A2 size card base and giving us a slight mat around it. Next, I'm popping that focal image square up on some foam tape from Arteza. After all the trouble I've had removing the release plastic from this craft tape, I decided to try using my craft pick, and it is helping a lot. So I'm adhering that focal image to the lower left side of my card panel. Now it's time to dress it up a bit. I wanted to add some ghosts, but decided that they would get lost against that white part of the card. So instead, I'll layer them on top of the little ghost on that focal image. To add a little more dimension, I'm popping them up on some foam tape too. I'm offsetting each of those little ghosts just a touch to give them a slight shadow. Now I'll add a few bats. I adhered one large bat and two small bats in that empty space near the top of the card using my art glitter glue. Now I just have to add some shimmer. I'm using my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen and glittering up the bats. And then I thought this moon needs some shimmer too. And of course, the ghosts can't be left out. That looks pretty cute. I let the panel dry for a minute or so and then added it to the front of my card base using a double-sided adhesive tape. So that I can try to get this positioned correctly, I'm leaving part of the release paper as a couple of handles so I can hold that in and position my panel in place. Now that looks good, but we're not done yet. The Ghost SVG file left a little circle where the eyes would be, and I could just color that in, but I thought it'll look even better with some little gems instead. As a final touch, I added a few more gems to the front of the card. That finishes up this card for today. I hope that you are inspired to get going on your Halloween crafting, and I would love to see what you create. So come join my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie, and show us your creations. I've left a link in the description box down below. Oh, and if you make anything using ideas from one of my Halloween videos, please post a picture and tag me at hashtag Debbie J's Crafting Corner and at hashtag DJCC Halloween 2020. You can also see all of my Halloween videos for 2020 by clicking on the hashtag DJCC Halloween 2020 down in the video title. Here are some other videos that you may be interested in. Thank you so much for dropping by, and remember, if I can make it, you can too.